Hello, my name is Pavan Kumar and welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, continuing our playlist on NLP Quantifiers. So in our previous videos we have discussed about what are the quantifiers, and we have discussed some of the quantifiers like plus, question mark, star, and we have also discussed about the anchors like caret, dollar symbol. So today we'll continue our topic on NLP quantifiers, and today we'll try to specify some range in quantifiers. Okay, so if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel and please press the bell notification icon to get all updates related to my YouTube channel. So let's get into this. So I have already defined quantifiers and we have imported the regular expression, and I have also defined the find pattern. Okay, so now let's take an example by specifying some range. What I will do is like print off find pattern, and here I will try to give some input. I will try to give it as AAA, BB, CCC. Okay, and now what I will do is like I will try to specify some range. I will do it like A followed by B. Here what I will do is like I will try to specify some range 2, 3. Okay, so now let's try to run this particular cell. So here you can see that I have given the input as AAA, BB, CCC. Okay, and here I am trying to match the pattern A followed by B 2 to 3 times. So here the match is A followed by B 3 times. Okay, so and the span is between 2 to 6. So here you can see 0, 1, 2 and up to 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here you can see A followed by B, A followed by B 3 times, and the span is between 2 to 6. Okay, so now let's take one more examples in order to understand in a better way. Find pattern, and here I will try to give some different input apart from this. So I will try to give B, 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 C, C, D, E, F. Okay, and here I will try to specify some different range. What I will do is like I will try to give it as DE. Here I will try to open the bracket, and here again I will give 2, 4. Okay, so here we are supposed to match the pattern D followed by E 4 times. Okay, so after D you can find only one E. Okay, but here I am trying to match the pattern D followed by E 2 to 4 times. Okay, so now let's see like whether the required pattern is present or not in this specific. Okay, so now let's try to run this particular cell. So here you can see that it's not, because D followed by E is present only one time, but here I am trying to match the pattern D followed by E minimum 2 times and maximum 4 times. Since it's present only one time, so it shows that it's not. Okay, so here I will try to take one more example. Print off find pattern, and here I will try to give A followed by 4 times, and here I will try to give the required pattern A followed by B 1, 4. And now let's try to run this particular cell. See here what I'm trying to do is like A followed by B, minimum 1 time, maximum 4 times. Okay, so now let's see like the required pattern is present or not in this input. Okay, so here you can see A followed by B 4 times, and what I'm trying to do is like A followed by B, minimum 1 time, maximum 4 times. So here you can see the required pattern, that is a match. A followed by B is present between the span 0 to 5. Here you can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A followed by B, minimum 1 time, maximum 4 time is present between this specific span. Okay. So now let's take one more example in order to understand deeply. Print off, find pattern. I'll try to take some simple input. Double C, double D, double D, double E. Okay, and here what I will try to do is like C comma CD, 2 comma. Okay, so here what I'm trying to do is like C followed by D, minimum 2 times and maximum 2 times. Okay, now let's try to run this particular cell. So here you can see C followed by D, minimum 2 times and maximum 2 times. So here you can see the match CDD, it's present between 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. And here you can just remove it as anchors. You can just specify it as page. Sorry guys, I forgot to change the subject. Okay, so see you on all. Thank you. Bye bye.